Hey everyone, what's up? So, if you're watching this, you've probably seen Gelatine Sculpt showing up everywhere lately, and you're wondering if this supplement really works, or if it's just another weight loss trend that sounds too good to be true. I had the same question, so let me explain it in a simple, honest way. Let's be real for a second. A lot of people aren't overweight because they don't try hard enough. Diets, workouts, calorie counting, most of us have tried all of that. And when nothing sticks, it starts to feel like your body is working against you. Slow metabolism, constant hunger, cravings that come out of nowhere. It's frustrating. That's exactly the problem Gelatine Sculpt is meant to address. At first, I didn't expect much. I've seen so many supplements promise miracles, and most of them either do nothing or only work for a few weeks. While I was looking into Gelatine Sculpt, what caught my attention was that it focuses on metabolism and hunger hormones, instead of just blocking calories or forcing extreme dieting. So, what is Gelatine Sculpt really? It's a natural supplement designed to support healthy weight loss by helping your body work the way it's supposed to. The formula is made to support GLP-1 and GIP hormones, the same hormones involved in appetite control and fat burning. Basically, it helps you feel full sooner, stay satisfied longer, and naturally eat less without feeling miserable. What I like about the approach is that it's not about starving yourself or cutting everything you enjoy. It's about helping your metabolism function better, so weight loss doesn't feel like a constant battle. Using it is pretty simple. You take it daily, no complicated routine, no drastic lifestyle changes required. A lot of people say they notice their clothes fitting looser first, before the scale even changes, which usually means body fat and bloating are going down. It can also help with energy levels. When your metabolism is sluggish, everything feels harder. Working out, staying active, even just getting through the day. Supporting your metabolism can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels overall. Another thing worth mentioning is that Gelatine Sculpt comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you actually have time to try it and see how your body responds, without pressure. So if you feel like your weight just won't budge no matter what you do, and you're tired of extreme diets that never last, Gelatine Sculpt might be worth looking into. Thanks for watching, and if you've got questions, drop them in the comments.